remember coming up as an entrepreneur. I remember coming up in these dreams I had about being financially free and financially independent. And without having a college degree, without having a sales or a business background, without having an insurance background, which is the field that I'm in right now, like I'm figuring all this stuff out. I got to pay the bills. I gotta take care of my children. I gotta take care of my responsibilities. I gotta feel good about myself. And so along this journey, I was stressed out in many different ways. Let me share with you this analogy. So let's say you're growing your business, right? You're growing your business. You want to be a first generation cash flow millionaire. And so therefore you plant roots. You're growing. You're a tree. You're a redwood tree. And the winds of life are blowing by. The winds of life are blowing by. The question now is, how deep are your roots? More importantly, how strong are your roots? Because these roots keep this tree in place. Floods, wind, storms, they might try to implant. They may try to get you to tumble. Divorce, health issues, death, sadly, financial stress. All these are the winds of life. The question for you is, how strong and how deep are your roots? Because along the way, there are so many exit points. There's so many different distractions that get you off your goal. Here's the sad reality, and I don't want to sound insensitive when I say this. I know divorce happens. I know death happens. I know health challenges happen, especially right now during COVID-19. All these different things will happen to you, and they are relentlessly attacking you. I get it. But if you want to be a first generation cash flow millionaire, what do you want? And more importantly, why do you want to be a first generation cash flow millionaire? Process that. By the way, if you realize that you don't want to be a cash flow first generation millionaire, forget this video. Forget all this stuff. Live an easier life. It's okay. Go make 20K, 50K, 60K, 80K. Be average and ordinary. Here's the thing. Making $1 million, is it simple? It is. But is it easy? Of course not. Because here's what millionaires say. I'd rather be crazy and rich than normal and broke. What life did you actually sign up for? You wanted to be a cash flow millionaire, first generation cash flow millionaire, right? Well, guess what? You got to be able to handle the pressure. You're looking to put yourself in the top, 1% of income in America. Because my family deserves better. Because my parents deserve to be retired. Because my child needs special needs and I need to provide better quality of life for him or her. My family back in the Philippines, my family back in Lebanon, which is Ali recording this video right now. My family back in Dallas, Texas, where Ivan was recording, they deserve better. That's why I want to be a first generation cash flow millionaire. I need to send money over to help them. And guess what happens when you're in the uncomfort zone? Growth. Opportunity. You're able to say to yourself, man, I'm able to carry this. I'm able to burden this. And the only time that you look back, look over your shoulder, is to see how far you've come. By the way, you gotta thank yourself that you've been put in a pressure situation. Why? Because that's where diamonds are made.